Yo guys, I'm Redface, and this is Will You Press the Button? I was gonna do Would You Rather, but when I tried fucking playing the game, it would lag so fucking much, it would take, the whole video would be fucking 20 minutes by the time I'm done, so I'm just like, fuck that, I'd rather just play this game. Anyway, I haven't played much games because I haven't found any ones I really want to play on this channel that you guys would probably fucking enjoy. So, I thought you guys would enjoy this game because a lot of fucking people do for some reason. Well, a lot of YouTubers already played this game, so yeah, so you've probably seen it before, but I wanted to play the game so you guys get to know me on a fucking level. You can either fucking hate me or just love me for the choices I make. The 60-40 chance you're probably gonna fucking hate me, but whatever. Well, let's play this game, shall we? What's the first question? Well, not fucking question, but what's the first thing? Public nudity becomes legal. The Patriot has not yet been dismantled. What? What? I don't, let's press the button. I don't get the fucking thing. I don't. So this doesn't count, okay? This doesn't fucking count. I just want to get out of the way. And see what people... Oh, well, fuck me. I have to choose that. I don't even know what the fuck. Alright, you will have free internet, video games, movies, pizza, anything you want to deliver to you and will live forever. Oh, fuck. But you will never be allowed to leave your house, have anyone over, or you will die. Oh, fuck yeah, dude. All that for... It was free, right? Yeah, free, yeah. Oh, yeah. For fucking free, and I don't have... Oh, man. That's like friends or free stuff. Rather have free stuff. Nah, I'm just kidding. Friends are good. I like friends, especially my best friend. But I mean, dude, free stuff. Oh, free stuff for fucking ever. I mean, if you live forever, kind of don't want to do that. So I won't do that. And plus, I get to hang out with friends and shit. I kind of like friends. They keep you happy and shit. And like, if you live forever and you just had pizza and video games and you can't invite anyone over, it would get boring. It would get boring after a fucking while. And you're just like, come on, man. I kind of want to invite someone over. Nope, you'll explode if you do that shit. So no, I'm good. I'd rather not. Become famous and wealthy for the rest of your life. Die of agony and painful death at an unknown time in front of everyone, especially your loved ones. This got really fucking dark. What Jesus fucking Christ. An agonizing, painful death? Fuck that shit. I like the life I like the life I have now, thank you very much. I'll become famous on my own. I really want to become famous one day, on YouTube and shit. But, I'll do that shit on my own, thank you very much. Rather not die a fucking agonizing, painful death. Kinda wanna die in, not so agonizing death, because that would be fucking, I don't know, better than fucking, yeah, no, I'm good. I will not. I'm good, thanks. That is terrible. Oh, God, that is fucking terrible. Alright, good grades in school, no social life. I have no life. But I have no, but I don't have good grades in school. Actually, I don't even know what my grades are, but I assume they're not good. even some kids have this life anyway. I like talking to people. Like I said, I like people. People are good. They keep you, they're like, friends. Friends are good. I like them. I kind of want to keep them around. You get $1 million, you're an unable to pay. Oh, fuck that. No. Fuck you. I don't give a fuck. If I can't spend those $1 million on video games, fuck you, okay? You could go suck a big, fat, giant dick, okay? Fuck that. There's no way that's fucking happening in the entire universe where I live at all fucking ever, because I love video games. Video games are my shit. Fuck that. You always have free first row in events, contests, theater matches. You are blind in one eye. Oh yeah. Oh, fuck yeah. Oh yeah. In just one eye? That's not that bad, actually. Yeah, and just, oh, fuck yeah. Oh, fuck yeah, dude. Yeah, for real, you still have another eye, dude. It's like, who cares if that one eye is still you can see out of the fucking other one. You could be a fucking pirate if you want to. Oh yeah, I guess that's good. I don't fucking care. You get paid $1 million each time you inhale, but each time you exhale, 10 random people. That's 10 people that died, but in about like a week, everyone would be dead in the earth. And again, kind of like people, like friends and shit, kind of want them around. You know, like, if I got paid $1 million, if everyone's dead, it is kind of for nothing. You know, like, if everyone just died, you get all the free shit anyway, so it's like, you know, it's kind of, pointless. So, no, I'm good. Thanks. That was bad. That was a bad one. I don't like it. Come on. Make some better ones. Ooh, okay, alright. You can teleport anywhere in the universe just by thinking of the area you want to go. I mean, yeah, that's kind of how teleporting fucking works, but okay. You have to keep your thoughts focused on your area or you'll continue teleporting uncontrollably. Fuck. Oh, fuck. That's hard because I think about going to a lot of places. I think about going to fucking New York and all that shit. So, yeah, nah, I'm good. Yeah, nah, I'm alright. I don't want that. That's kind of the last thing I want at this moment. But you know, I'll go with good because that was like, I guess it's good. Okay. You are accepted into Hogwarts. After you graduate, then you forget your... Oh, fuck no! No! Then what the fuck? If I just graduate and forget I ever fucking went, I'd just be standing there in the middle of the fucking street just looking up this guy's like... The fuck just happened? You just be standing there like, nah, I'm good. The blast. What if I don't even want to go to Hogwarts? What if I want to go some other fucking place? And if there are any Harry Potter fans, I'm sorry, but I don't watch Harry Potter that much. I don't even fucking read the books. I'm sorry. There's not, I watched, fucking the first and maybe I didn't even watch the fucking movies in a row, okay? So I don't know which fucking movie I watched. All I know is I watched the first one, alright? And then I will probably watch the third one, and then I watched the sixth one. I don't even know if there is a sixth one, but there's a lot of fucking movies. But, you know, fucking... Morgan Freeman will commentate your life. Oh, you have to watch 2 episodes of The Big Bang until you die. That's it. You have to watch 2. That's it? Just 2 episodes? Oh, fuck yeah! Oh, fuck yeah! Oh, hell yeah! If Morgan fucking Freeman commentated on my life, oh, fuck yeah, dude! Dude, he has a voice of a fucking angel, dude. Fuck yeah. That'd be awesome. You gain telekinesis. You only live for 25 more years. Again. No. Oh, actually, I would like telekinesis. Let this be a lesson. Let this be a fucking lesson. Always pick life over power. Always, okay? You always choose your life over power, alright? I don't know why I kicked good. I just want to get on to the fucking question. I don't know what it is. The fucking choice thing. You can shred unlike any other on base. Oh. Yeah, sure, why not? Why not, dude? I don't care if I'm fucking base. I'll get all the chicks anyway. If I could shred unlike any other, fuck yeah, dude. I probably won't get all the chicks, but like you know, like 1/4 of them. You get $16 now. You're not allowed to enter Kenya and North Korea for the rest. Yeah, wasn't planning on going there anyways. So yeah, sure. I'll have $16. Yeah, that's not bad. Bad to me. Yeah, like the fucking person said in the comments. It doesn't sound bad at all. You gain the ability to fully control and manipulate others. Everyone knows you can. That's not even a fucking choice, dude. That is oh fuck yeah. If everyone knows I can, like if the fucking government tries to come after me, dude, I could just be like, go away. And they just fuck off. I could literally do whatever the fuck I wanted. Who cares if everyone knew? I'd just be like, give me some fucking pizza. Fuck yeah, dude. I could rule the fucking earth, dude. Fuck yeah. You get a free copy of every new video game released as of now. All future games to come are replaced with shitty zombie games. No. 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 I'm good. If they're like shitty zombie games and like really fucking shitty zombie games, kind of want to play some good games. You know, like fucking. You know what good games are coming out? You know, like fucking Resident Evil 7. That is not a shitty zombie game. I know that game's gonna be fucking good when it comes out because Resident Evil is a fucking great game. The first one kind of, you know, fucked me over because every time you aimed, you couldn't fucking move. I don't know why. I really don't. He's just like, oh, can't do shit. He's like, just say it's like, fucking move legs. Oh, now I could fucking move. Like, that guy's probably had the worst time ever in that fucking game. Like, every time he aimed, he couldn't move. I hated that shit. I was like, what the fuck, man? You have the fastest internet for free, can play online game for free, and never have to pay for membership. You must watch a minimum of 3 hours of gay porn daily. But what if the person that read this was gay? In 3 hours, 3 hours, I don't want to even think about that. Well, newsflash, everyone, I'm not gay. Rather not watch gay porn. It's not that I'm homophobic or anything. I just rather not watch 3 hours of gay porn. it's 3 hours. I don't even watch regular porn for that long. 3 hours is just, oh, fuck that. No, I'm good. 3 hours is just way too fucking long. I wouldn't even do it I wouldn't even watch it. I'm good. Thanks. Oh yeah, hey, that's a good point actually. Well, fuck me then. You can summon any drink you desire out of thin air. You can become an alcoholic. So does every drink I drink is an alcohol? Because I hope not, because I don't drink that much. I really don't. I rarely do. Like, I take, like, sips of fucking, fucking cups. That's about it. So, and I don't even like it that much. Like, how can you even like alcohol? Yeah, it gets you drunk and shit, but it's not that good. I like tea. Tea's the shit. I fucking love tea. I'd rather not become an alcoholic. Thank you. But, kind of like my life the way it is. You gain the best peripheral version a human can possibly have. You can't turn your head more than 30 degrees to each side. Huh. Okay, so you could literally just like turn your body. It's not that hard to do, so like, yeah, sure, why not? You can have in fucking eyesight of a fucking eagle. Like, you could like spot your friend for miles. You can go now, there you go. Jesus fucking Christ. You get your letters to go to Hogwarts. You have to be first year for all 7 years. I didn't click anything, but okay. it must have fucking, I don't know. You'll be immortal. No, again, friends. Kinda want him. Thank you very much. Alright guys, one more and I'll be ending this video. So, let's do it. It would be the last question. Fucking not question, button thing. Button thing! You can have all the pizza in the world. You can't drink sodas. Oh. You know what? Fuck it. There are a lot more other drinks. There's juice that's way better than sodas. But fucking tea, coffee, fucking a lot of other drinks. Fucking yeah. Yeah. I like that. Alright. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was pretty fun for me, I had a few. Actually, it wasn't a lot of difficult choices because most of them was just fucking stupid. So I'm like, But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more videos like this one, and I probably might upload a video with Would You Rather, if it fucking works. But if it doesn't, I'll just fuck it off and, do some reaction channels and some reaction videos and some shit, but whatever. But anyway, hope you enjoyed, and peace. Oh, and comment, subscribe, all that fucking shit. Yeah. But, see ya.